Wow, kayo namatay mo sa ako. Alright. Hey, good choice. Oh, I was really crazy now. Maybe I drank too much, it's cold. But when I think of you, I long to feel your touch. To whisper in your ear, 'cause that was all you would hear. If only you were mine. I wish I could back to the very first day I saw you. Yeah, thank you. You make a move when you look in my eyes. Yeah. 'Cause by now I know that you feel that I do. Wow. And I'll whisper these words I know I hear by my side. Oh, I love you, baby. You say you love me too. These three words, they could change our lives forever and ever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. Ooh, yeah. Upal, NFX, 2.0. So this day, and I just like a thousand times before. The window really handed me this letter. When I hold it, find this way to your heart. Wow, simple. Say, I love you. Woo. You say you love me too. Yeah. These three words, they could change our lives forever and ever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. Wow. Ayan na. Bakit mo? But baby, I need a little love. Oh, yeah. And maybe I need a little care. Wow. And maybe you, oh, you need someone just to hold you. Maybe I'll know. If you just reach out and not be there. Wow. Ito yun. I love you. But say you love me too. Yeah. These three words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together. Oh, I love you. Let's go.